iPhone 11, okay pa ba for 2025 or 2026? Sabi ko dyan, kung meron na kayo, kaya pa niya mag-survive until next year. And supported naman siya ng iOS 26, which is medyo laggy. Pero at least it's working. Pero I don't recommend getting this iPhone 11 kung wala pa kayong phone. I suggest kumuha na lang kayo ng brand new na ibang iPhone. iPhone 14, goods pa ba? Yes, goods pa si 14. Pero I suggest kung kaya nyo 15 above, go na. Para naka type C na kayo. Sobrang hassle lang dala-dalawa yung cable mo. Pero in terms of camera, video, capabilities, goods pa naman si iPhone 11. And yan, I'm using the iPhone 11 camera right now. Na 0.5 camera. Kung maganda naman lighting nyo, wala naman problem sa camera ng iPhone. Stabilization, it's okay. Mas portable lang si action cam, pero mas straightforward pa rin kapag phone yung gamit mo. Kung kaya nyo mag iPhone 15 above, yun ay kunin nyo. Yun lang naman muna for this random video content. And if you found this helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe for more. Thank you.